Welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. The car sank into the deep ditch. With the help of a crane and a compactor, the car was finally rescued.
Klimatcherna. Andiamo så fint. Så är det. Igen.
The slippery terrain was not easy for him to overcome, but with determination the car was finally able to move forward. This engine was not yet completed, but he took the risk of testing it underwater. Luckily he made it back to shore safely. The engine was broken and started smoking.
Раскачай эту лодку!
Чё говоришь?
Раскачаю! Давай, чики-брики, кто к тебе поплывет? Повис, да, он может слишком много под себя травы, когда он же не шибко тяжелый. Да, видишь. Не хватит, не.
Ебать!
Все, сел, все.
Плывет только с маховика.
Че? Едешь?
С маховика, с окошка ежики зажигание выставляет.
Поплыл, блин, мне надо вот тобой сюда, хотя бы лопату взять, чтобы отталкиваться. Это слишком, он заметил, да? Просто сюда бы, знаешь, веревку с гарпуном, пах, тренил на берег, подтянули. Как ощущение?
Бля, не слышу!
Не опасно, но плывет, видно, что. Там уже глубина точно в районе 2 метров примерно. То есть он однозначно сейчас плывет, не цепляется ни на что. Он пытается аккуратненько регулировать, даже поворачивать. Включил просто на передачу, скорее всего, на 4-ю, на 5-ю, потому что видно, что колеса довольно быстро вращаются, но двигатель работает на холостых. Просто стоит сверху. Коня остановить.
He intended to perform, but his handling was a bit wrong. The audience would laugh when seeing him drive like that.
Oh, shit.
You probably only see these scenes in movies. It's lucky to be able to capture these moments on the street. Right. He intended to perform, but his handling was a bit wrong. The audience would laugh when seeing him drive like that. The road is too muddy. The cars move too unsteadily because of the mud, leading to unexpected accidents. The Mercedes-Benz trailer had to move on a road with many challenges. In the rainy season, it was muddy and difficult to travel. In the dry season, the dust flew everywhere, making it very difficult. The tractor was trying to pull the heavy load to complete the competition, but it seemed to be so overwhelmed that it lost a wheel, to the surprise of the audience. The truck from the side road suddenly turned right, forcing the timber truck to brake suddenly. The weight of the huge log caused the truck to lose balance and flip over onto the road in an instant. It was just a slight collision, but the wood truck on the highway collapsed. Fortunately, there was no serious problem. It will be repaired and continue moving. The timber truck encountered difficult terrain. Its wheels spun and it could not roll. It burst into tears before the driver's helplessness. The rescue of the truck is almost complete with adequate rescue equipment and vehicles. The truck was so heavy and big that it couldn't get out of the mud. It had to be pulled by a tractor to get the truck out and leave. The excavator moved quickly and luckily it escaped the collapsed soil. It was truly a heart-stopping moment. The car rescue is quite suffocating. Every step is very important. Just one wrong step and all rescue efforts will be meaningless.